Now it's recording.
Now
Okay,
it's
see.
recording.
See, I knew there was something wrong. The cameraman. Look at that.
Well, we're going that way, but
Let's go that way.
Let's go that way. Let's go this way.
So nobody knows who really has it. They claim to.
well, yeah, they all. That's the thing.
They all do.
Yeah.
There's
There's supposedly like 2 families that have the real deal, or the at least have the original deal, or whatever.
Yeah.
They were the original families that did it, but now there's several.
So when the camera goes black, is it still recording? When the camera goes black, okay. Yeah. That's very cool.
O yüzden dizi bitirdiler. Fakat o dizi bittikten sonra Türkiye'den bir akım başladı bu tarafa doğru. Türkiye'nin misafirleri de artıyor. Topraklarını görmeye geldiler ve gün geçtikçe artıyor. Yani şu anda Türkiye'ye gelen misafirler giderek fethediyor.
My arm is not a very good stabilizer.
It has a built-in stabilizer.
Oh, really?
Within reason.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to play music on this. I already talked like so much like not good narrator quality.
You are totally narrator quality.
Total okay. What's that? Oh. It's cool. Oh. In.
Yeah.
You can take. No, you can. Just know you're not allowed to do smoke. So I record it.
All right.
That's where they had that helmet I was telling you about.
You're gonna want to see this.
You have to pay to go inside.
Yeah, you have to go in everything.
Is it 150 or 3?
150.
Let's go in here, honey. You're gonna want to see
There's a museum right there. These two want to go in.
Yeah.
And
These 2 want to go in. We're going.
they're like,
how to narrate.
they have the helmet. I'm like, all right.
This is all for Jesse, so don't let him fool you.
Can I record in here? I'm gonna ask the lady.
Let's just do it.
I'm gonna do it. Whoa! As you can see, we're in a museum full of ancient stuff. Ancient stuff. Whoa. This is really cool.
Thank you.
I'm really surprised how they just like kind of have all this on display without like a plexiglass over and anything.
Yeah, it's really nice when they can just put it out.
Right.
I used to
Ancient carved writing in these things. That's really cool. It's pretty cool. Just like me, I'm pretty cool. I wonder what that says. Whatever this goes. Probably gonna get yelled at. Hey Mom, can we go up here? Yeah. Okay. Oh, we'll see. There's ancient stone steps. As I make my way up this cool but yet kind of spooky room. Look at that. Look at this gown. Whoa. Oh my god. It's an old sewing machine right here. Not allowed to touch, but I was about to. I'm a very hands-on kind of guy when it comes to old artifacts of the past. Look at this old violin. Oh, I wonder if that's real horsehair or not. What? I wonder who that guy is. He looks like a pro. Oh, that's beautiful. That's very pretty. Wow. What is that? Some ancient jewelry there. No, but this is a very cool, nice, historic room of Where up here, guys? I'm sorry, this is a very cool old pass of Macedonia, and oh my god, this place just keeps going. Ancient pottery. Ancient pottery. Pottery. More pottery. Oh, it looks like you put like rope through that and you would carry it somehow. I don't know. It's very cool. Little bow. It's a little bow. I can make that in pottery. I could do that. It's very cool. I wonder how old this is. If I could read, oh, it does say English. Does it say how old it estimates to be though? Huh. That's very cool. Is that old spearheads? Oh my god. You believe that? Iron spears. Oh my gosh. That is so cool. I wonder what those are. Are those like the... What is that? What is that? Is that like a... I have no idea. Oh, that's an old razor that they said. Alright, yeah, it's a little razor. I don't know if you guys can see it. But... Huh. This is very cool. Old jewelry that they had. Very interesting. More pots and whatnot. Of the 6th century BC. They say 6th century BC. Oh my god. Whoa. That's old. That's very old. Oh my god. How fascinating is that? They have an old helmet. Is that an old Illyrian helmet? I don't know. Illyrian. I'm so used to being in Albania. But I don't know what kind of helmet is that. I don't know. I don't know my old Macedonian history as I should. It's a very old iron axe head. Same with more spearheads. Whoa. Look at that helmet. Dang. Looks like I might have received a spear in the head. Man. It was said that the helmet was bronze. During the Bronze Age. Yeah. There's more jewelry, I assume. I don't know. Not much of a jewelry guy, but it's very fascinating to see. It's very cool. This is Cool statue. Broken statue. The 2nd century BC. Our pots. Loving it. Or just ceramic pots. Man, how cool is that? How cool is that? That's cool. That's interesting. A little thing right there. Huh. It's cute. Very cute. I know I'm not a great cameraman, but I'm doing my best, okay? I'm trying my best. They have bronze. That is a bronze jug. How cool. Plates. An oppa. I don't know what an oppa is. Looks like some kind of pot. Oh my god. This place is so magical. It goes up more. It has more stairs. Oh, where are we going? Whoa! Oh, this is a holy room. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is a big room. Whoa. Look how intricate that wood carving is. My gosh. I'm not going to touch it. Don't worry. I thought about it, but I won't. Man. Old seats. This is some kind of like meeting room. Oh, I have no idea. Some kind of room that people would meet. And it's an old chest. It's an old little, like, cabinet that you put your stuff in. That's so cool. It's amazing how intricate though the wood carvings is on it. Same here, my god. That's all wood. Jeez. Jeez, man. Same here. There's like little people in it. There's a little woman. Oh my gosh. Huh. That looks like some kind of priest. Was that Saint Clement? Oh, it's Saint Clement, the guy who was that the guy who built the university here? I don't know. That's cool. This wood roof gets me every time. That's amazing. Whoa, 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 whoa.